Hello viewers, in this video you are going to learn how to insert symbols in MS Word. So to insert symbol, first you have to go into Insert tab, click on Insert tab, and here you can see symbol button. Click on this, and here are some of recently used symbols which is showing. So you can add more symbols. Here is the complete list of different symbols which are available in MS Word. So I am selecting this dollar symbol, click on it, insert and close. Here you can see the symbol is added. So this is how you can add different symbols in MS Word. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.